In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Group By on Monday.com to sort and organize your boards. First, open the project board you want to work with in Monday.com. Make sure you're on the main table view where you can see all your items and columns, like status, due date, and priority. This is important because Group By will use these columns to organize your information. Once your board is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Group By option. This is usually near your other view and sorting controls. Click on Group By to open the grouping settings. This is where you'll tell Monday.com how you want your items to be clustered together. You'll now see a field that says something like Select or Search Column Name. Click into this field. Here you can search for any column that exists on your board. The idea is that Monday.com will create separate groups based on the values in that column. To start, choose the Status column. Click on Status from the list. Your board will now reorganize itself, grouping items by their status labels, such as working on it, stuck, or done, depending on how your board is configured. This is a great way to quickly see how your work is distributed across different stages. Next, open the same column selector again and choose Due Date. Click on Due Date to group your items by their deadlines. This can help you see which tasks are due today, this week, or later, depending on how your dates are set up. If you click Due Date again in the grouping settings, you can confirm or adjust how that grouping is applied. Do the same with the Priority column. Click on Priority to group by the urgency or importance of each item. This is useful if you want to focus on high-priority tasks first. Clicking Priority again allows you to reapply or adjust that grouping if needed. Now go back to the Status grouping and look for an option related to the order of labels. Click on Order of Labels. This controls how the different status groups are arranged from top to bottom. If you want to flip that order, click on Reverse Order of Labels. You can toggle Reverse Order of Labels again to switch it back, depending on how you prefer to see your workflow. You'll also see options to sort the groups alphabetically, like A to Z or Z to A. Click on A to Z to sort your label names in ascending order. If you click A to Z again and then choose Z to A, you'll reverse that order and sort them in descending order instead. This is handy if your labels follow a naming convention and you want them in a specific alphabetical sequence. Once you're happy with how everything is grouped and ordered, look for the option to Save as New View and click it. This will save all your Group By settings as a reusable view on your board, so you can come back to it anytime without having to set everything up again.